Hello viewers, you're welcome to the maiden edition of our pick and win draw. We are at the venue of the school and we are just starting the maiden edition. You are welcome. Thank you. As we start now, okay, we have the coordinator for the event, Mrs. Lillian Chukwemeka. All right, so we have 3 draws today, and in this draw, the first draw, this draw, actually let me introduce the draw so that some people that are just watching us may understand what we are actually doing. The draw is a support program geared towards raising funds to support our out-of-school children in our environment, Shafa and its environs. We, his Covenant Schools, as the pilot school, in collaboration with Tadri Farms, approached people to support the free tuition. The free tuition, that's the free education project that we are running. We actually approached Tadri Farms and decided to do a collab with Tadri Farms so that, we will be able to raise funds. We thought it's something that we just bring in children, but we have run the first edition of this program and we discovered that no, we really need funds because we did not expect the number of children we saw. We asked children after the lockdown to join us, and the number of children we saw was amazing. We had 103 children for the first batch of this free tuition project. So we're actually doing this draw today to raise funds so that we can continue, because these children, we are giving them this free education till basic 6. That's nursery and primary. So we approached, and we are in collaboration with Tadri Farms. You can see the products, the Tadri Farms natural body and hair wash. Is all natural, no chemical. So what we do is that we encourage people to pick a ticket. You pick a ticket for 1,000 naira for this program. Today, 12th of November, we are here now for the maiden edition of this draw, which is titled Season 1. So right now, we are going to shake up the tickets we got for the draw. A few people participated, but we are believing that the next season, which is coming up February next year, 2022, we intend to do this draw termly because we run our school system per term, so it's termly. So we are drawing up the next one in February, and we are taking time to tell people, please participate. Send this video to people friends, lovers of God, people that love charity, so that they can support these children. We cannot take you to the street, but if you have time, if you are celebrating your birthday or you have one event or the other, you can come to school to see these children and then also to share your joy with them. So right now we are going to shake up the ticket we got for the draw. That is the pick and win. The coordinator will pick any number she picks. Any number she picks emerges first winner for the draw. Then the second pick she's going to pick is actually for volunteer teachers, because like I told you, these children we also have people who are also working as volunteer, qualified teachers working as volunteer teachers. These are people making sacrifice. Life is about sacrifice. So the second prize is going to be we have done a lot of processing, picking, and we now come to the point where we just have 2 people that want to pick one that will emerge as the best volunteer teacher award for this season 1. Then she will pick a third winner. This third winner is not a draw. Is from our distributors. There are people who are also selling these products. So if you are at home, you are a work from home mom, you want to also participate and support these children, you can sign up for distributorship. 0 registration. You just buy this product and sell. So we have distributors who are selling because they know that this is soap for free education. So as they are selling, we now use the volume of sales to pick the best among them. So that's going to be the third award we will do today. We want to thank you, and we want this video as short as possible. So we want to thank you for staying tuned with us. Now, the draw goes on. So please, Mrs. Chukuma, can you help us shake the Okay. Wow. Oh my God. 004 Jesus Christ. I don't believe this one is coming up the winner. Enoga said, Joseph, please, can you please write his check for him? We are going to contact him immediately after this program. He will also see this video as well. Enoga said, Joseph has emerged winner for the... No. That check is not for the pick and win. Please check the check that is for... Yes. That's for the distributor. Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much. We needed it to be live. We needed to do a video that is live so everybody will see how it was done. Okay? 004. Oh, I love people that love God. Enoga Joseph is the award winner for this pick and win event, the very season 1 of it. I'm so grateful to God for this. It can only be God. Yes. So you can see this is Tadri Farms Abuja and the winner is 004 Enogase Joseph. I'm so glad because Enogase Joseph is a student as well. So I want to thank God for him. Okay, thank you very much. Now drop the check and then please let's go straight ahead to the best teacher volunteer. Some of us use our certificate and our degree to serve God. Charity is for great minds. You don't have to be rich before you can touch lives. Now, are you ready to make the pick? Shake it and then, yes, you have. Without this thing, just pick one. Good. Thank you. Now, can we know who is coming out as the best volunteer teacher? Oh my God, this God is just too much. All right. This is Mrs. Lillian Chukwemeka. Please write it. Write it. We want our video to be as short as possible. Okay, she's a volunteer teacher. She's a graduate. She volunteered her time to come teach children. Some people will be looking at the money that they can get. But look at her here, serving these children that she does not know from other. You cannot serve God and not have a blessing. Okay. Thank you very much. This is Tadri Farms Abuja 001 Lillian Chukwemeka Best Volunteer Teacher Award. Thank you very much. Now can we move on to the best distributor? She has is by volume of sales. So just go ahead and write her check. This distributor she's distributing these products in Enugu. She has been affecting the lives of these children from the proceeds. She makes her profit as a distributor, and some other time we may ask her to do a video of herself receiving this award, and then she can get back to us so that we can see what she's doing. She's affecting lives, selling these products, and then the proceeds we are getting from these products, putting smiles on the faces of these children. Season 2 is coming up in February. When we enter season 2, we expect that God will do it for us. We will sell at least above 100 tickets. Please support us. Let this video go far. I know you know people that loves God. Help us share this video so that lovers of God can go. This is a just cause. If it is another kind of event, you see people supporting it. But when it comes to things like this, people are kind of, please, okay, this is for Ifeoma Ugun. Please include that surname, Ifeoma Ugun. She need to show her check to some of our customers so that they will know that as they are buying this product, they are enjoying the free chemical soap and they are touching lives as well. Yes, thank you very much. I pray that this video goes far. We need to attract people. Distributor Award of the Year. You are selling, you are making money for yourself, you are making your profit, and you are affecting the life of children far away in Oshafa, Abuja here. Thank you very much, because we promised you that this video is going to be a short video. We've come to the end of this season 1, and I'm so excited. It is a success. Thank you very much. As we wind up, we ask you, please remember to share this video. Share it until it gets to people who loves God, who wants to sponsor education, who wants to see children. I mean, you remember children are our future heritage. Thank you very much for being with us. We end the video now. Thank you so much.